63.48 for the Nifty. It's not a gap up start above 63.50. What about the Sensex? It's not a triple digit start, but 71 points up for the Sensex, which is quite heartening given the recent run up. You want to start with banks. You cannot afford to ignore banks for a second also. So let's start with PSU banks. Bank of Baroda right up there. Big gainer yesterday, followed by their Can Bank 231, PNB 594. So PSU banks are leading the market charge. Is the strength in rupee having an impact on IT? Well, yes and no. IT is not off to a great start, but no serious price cuts are also visible for IT. 22.52 for TCS. HCL Tech was a loser, but today it has managed to bounce right back up, 14.75 for HCL Tech. And let's look at Infosys, which is up 26 rupees despite the rupee strength, 38.48 for Infosys. Capital goods stocks now, Thermax, ABB, Siemens, Voltas, Crompton, all of them had one thing in common, which is they hit a new 52-week high yesterday. ABB, Crompton, Thermax and Siemens, all of them are off to a decent start.
Maruti, by the way, is in focus considering SEBI has now said that Suzuki's Gujarat plant doesn't need, or rather does not violate any governance rules, and that it doesn't need a minority shareholder's approval. So Maruti has gotten off to a good start, and this is in tandem with what we saw in yesterday's session as well. So a follow-through gain really coming in for Maruti. AstraZeneca, and that's going to be problematic today. AstraZeneca has started off sharply lower considering the board met yesterday and they have deferred the delisting proposal. So the stock is taking a plunge of about 8.25%. Alstom India, which has backed a couple of orders, they've won a contract of about 679 crore rupees from BHEL for boiler parts. Watch out for that one. Tata Power, wherein the board is going to be mulling a rights issue come March 8th. Watch out for that one as well. And Answer Properties, wherein there has been some deal action. You've got Nomura Singapore, which is bought about almost 50 lakh shares in this one. Reliance, wherein the gas pricing case is going to be taken up by the Supreme Court on March 11. That continues to be in focus. You've also got couple of other names. Island FS Transport, which has raised about almost 100 crore rupees via a private placement of NCDs. So that as well is important. But very quickly, I just want to breeze through what the PSU banking pack is doing and whether or not they're seeing any follow through buying. PNB, BOB, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Karnataka Bank, all these names are still holding out in the green.